glory of the nations, a light for all to see. Hope for all who will embrace His warm reality. Immanuel, our God is with us, and His God is with us. Who could stand against us? Our God is with us, Immanuel. For all those who live in the shadow of death, a glorious light has dawned. For all those who stumble in the darkness, behold, your light has come. Immanuel, our God is with us, and His God is with us. Who can stand against us? Our God is with us, Immanuel. So what shall be your answer? Will you hear the call of Him who did not spare His Son, but gave Him for us all? On earth there is no power, there is no death so high, that could ever separate us from the love of God in Christ. Immanuel, our God is with us, and His God is with us. Who could stand against us? Our God is with us, Immanuel, and His God is with us. Who could stand against